I'll show you how to pair a mobile. So we'll go over here onto Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on. Now we can either go to telephone, Mustang just gone past there, beautiful noise, there we go. So menu, we can go to telephone there, like so, Bluetooth devices, click Bluetooth devices, it's automatically come up to add new devices. As I said before, make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth there, otherwise nothing will happen. So we're adding a device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start search for Bluetooth devices. This vehicle will identify itself. So here we go, it's identified itself. So we'll click on that. Please start search, click on the BMW. There you go, pair, Bluetooth request. Compare this number with the number displayed on the Bluetooth device, 596591. Yes, it was the same. So we'll click OK. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sing? I won't, but you will. So I'm going to click don't allow, but obviously you'll be clicking allow. It's showing the vehicle is connected here, and also here it's telephone 1, and you've got audio as well, so that means you can stream music. If not, if you can't stream music, come back to this and make sure there's a tick in the audio. So click OK there, and that's it.